last week, guys, we made a really hearty Texas chili with honey jalapeno cornbread. The week before that, we had a really hearty Italian Parmesan pasta. So this week, I'm gonna dial it down a little bit. We're gonna go with something a little bit lighter. Honey Hawaiian chicken. It's gonna have a honey pineapple glaze along with our basmati rice. No long grain, no short grain. We're doing basmati, baby. We're gonna have a little bit of avocado on there. We're gonna sprinkle on some of that pico gallo along with fresh pineapples. If you'd like to enjoy, please have a seat. Now I chose thigh meat. Got some quick marinades here. What I'll do is I'll chop them up, get them into little bite-sized pieces, and then throw them in the bowl. That's all the fat that I got. A little bit over a tablespoon. Stir that up and let that sit overnight. All right, we got our marinated chicken right here. Been marinating overnight. All right, we got our pico. Got our good old pineapples that we use the juice. For that, got our basmati rice. Got some guacamole, some avocados. We got some avocado lime ranch dressing too, but I don't know if I'm gonna use that. All right, our pots are heating up, currently heating up right now. All right, medium, yep, has a little heat to it. Bye-bye! Now, this is how I usually measure my rice. However much rice it fills in the cup, I double that with the water. All right, you see how it's up to this mark right there? That's how much I'm gonna fill with water 2 times. All right, a little bit more. See how it's filled up to about the same area? Boom, that's 1. Wow! Put that in there just like that. And come back for number 2. That's it. Oh, drop some. Oh, that's it right there. Turn that off. Wah-bam! Add 2, baby. Now, there's really nothing to it when you're washing rice. Pour our rice right in, baby, and let that get to simmering. Like that. Oh, just like that, baby. Then what we're gonna do with this chicken is, we're gonna pour this in there right now. All together, just like that. Just like that, baby. Ooh, the smell coming from that is amazing. And we're gonna cook this low and slow, guys. Low and slow, baby. And I'm gonna add some butter in there too. So we got these on low. Almost done. It has about 5-10 minutes on it. We want to turn that fire back up to low medium heat, and we're going to add our honey and Worcestershire sauce. A spoonful of your favorite barbecue sauce, right? Get that stirred in there along with your honey. I put about 2 tablespoons of honey in there, and you want to let this. Your meat's already done. What now you're doing is getting that glaze. You want that glaze. Turn it up. I got it on the medium heat right now. Turn it up a little bit past medium. So. Let that get glazed up real good. Let that get glazed up and we'll be back. Let's check on the rice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Rice is almost done. Oh, baby, you do not know what you're not smelling right now. I'm telling you, I'm telling me, you're telling me, I'm telling you. So I let the rice rest, and also I'm warming our glazed chicken back up here. Put some heat on it, warm it back up. Now this is real simple, real easy. The plating part's really what's gonna set it off and make it beautiful. All right, there we go. Scoop it out with my hand.
I would like to chop it.
Don't hold back on the avocado, bro. Hey, you wanna get a little bit of that chicken right there? Put that on there just like that. Get you some of that pico. Put some of that pico right there. Just chop them in half. Give them a little chop chop. Oh!